Bongo Cat is an animated cat character that plays bongos in sync with sounds from your computer, like keyboard presses or microphone input. Transparency makes the cat semi see through, creating an overlay effect where the animation floats over your desktop without blocking your view. This feature is especially popular with streamers who use Bongo Cat as an entertaining overlay during live broadcasts on platforms like Twitch. Beyond streaming, Bongo Cat transparency brings a fun and whimsical element to everyday computer use. In this video series, we'll explore the software tools needed, the transparency settings, and provide a complete setup guide to get your transparent Bongo Cat running smoothly. Several software options allow you to implement a transparent Bongo Cat on your desktop. Rainmeter, with its customizable skins, is a popular choice for transparent Bongo Cat implementations. Standalone apps like Bongo Cat Overlay version 2.1 or later also offer native transparency options. These applications generally support transparency toggles and opacity controls, enabling you to fine-tune the effect. Make sure you download software from trusted sources to avoid malware. First, visit the official Rainmeter website to download the installer. Rainmeter is a free desktop customization tool that allows you to create and use skins like Bongo Cat. Next, find a Bongo Cat skin that works with Rainmeter. Many skins are available from community websites and forums. Make sure to download from reliable sources. Open Rainmeter by right-clicking its icon in the system tray. Select Manage, and then choose the Skins tab to load your Bongo Cat skin. Adjust the skin's transparency settings. Look for opacity or alpha controls in the configuration panel, typically ranging from 0 to 100%. Finally, make sure the Bongo Cat skin is set to always on top in its settings. This allows it to overlay other windows on your desktop. For standalone apps like Bongo Cat Overlay, start by downloading and installing the application. Once installed, run the application to launch Bongo Cat Overlay. In the app's interface, look for transparency settings in the menu or options panel. Enable transparency and adjust the opacity slider to achieve your desired level of visibility. These apps often use GPU acceleration for smoother performance, especially with newer versions. If you're experiencing issues with your Bongo Cat overlay, such as it not being transparent or lagging in performance, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open Device Manager, right-click your display adapter, and select Update Driver to enable proper transparency rendering. Check that the Always on Top setting is enabled for your overlay. In Power Toys or similar tools, toggle this option to keep the Bongo Cat visible over other applications. If the overlay feels too prominent, reduce its opacity level in the settings. This maintains visibility while being less distracting during work. For lagging performance, open Task Manager and close unnecessary background applications. This frees up system resources for smoother overlay operation. Audio synchronization allows Bongo Cat to react to your keyboard presses, mouse clicks, or microphone audio in real time. Many synchronization tools use Fast Fourier Transform, or FFT, to analyze audio signals. FFT converts time domain audio into frequency components, helping detect beats and rhythms. To get started, configure your software's input settings. Most tools allow you to map specific keyboard keys, mouse clicks, or microphone input directly to Bongo Cat's animation triggers. For practical use, such as in streaming software like OBS Studio, you can integrate Bongo Cat as an overlay that syncs with your actions, making your streams more engaging. Remember these key tips: verify your software's input settings, leverage FFT for audio analysis, map your inputs to animations, and test with different input types like keyboard, mouse, or microphone. Advanced customization lets you personalize your Bongo Cat experience. You can create your own skins by modifying the animation files or download community-created mods from platforms like GitHub. Looking ahead, AI-enhanced animations could make Bongo Cat smarter. Machine learning algorithms might adapt the cat's movements to different music genres or audio patterns automatically. Bongo Cat could soon integrate with VR and AR desktops, making the cat interactive in 3D spaces. Imagine the cat responding to virtual environments and gestures. As of 2026, there's a growing trend towards lightweight, low-power versions of Bongo Cat. These eco-friendly options use less energy while maintaining the fun animations. Stay tuned for updates and new features that will continue to enhance the Bongo Cat experience. The community is actively developing improvements and innovations.